What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Who am I kidding? Let me lower my voice a little bit because baby boy is back there sleeping, finally. But guess who's going to see Beyonce? Hey, who's going to see Beyonce? You is. Who's going to see Beyonce? You is. Okay, I am part of the Beehive. That is my boo. We are best friends, definitely. She gets me, I get her. Let's get ready with me. I'm going to take some cute things that I already have in my closet, and we're going to be Renaissance ready for real. Let's get it. First, I gotta give a special shout out to my homie, my bridal babe, Yo-Yo. I had a huge birthday that just passed, and she bought me these Beyonce tickets, and that is what friends are for. We're going to see Beyonce. Thank you, Yo-Yo. Mwah. I love you, and it's going to be fabulous time. Okay? Like, seriously. I am an artist. I am a performer. And when I tell you that she gives you all your money worth, she gives you every single penny. She entertains. To me, and in my opinion, she is the new Michael Jackson. Definitely. Leave in the comments below if you agree with me. Leave Michael Jackson in the comments below so I know that you're here with me if you feeling me. Okay? And if not, I want to know too. You know we have to look fabulous. So the first step of looking fabulous is first get the confidence and look up exactly like what type of vibe you want. So for me, I wanted a type of like Terminator, Renaissance, leather, I don't know, freak 'em, get 'em, go type of vibe. I don't know what type of vibe that is. So I'm just trying to sit here and think like, okay, I want to be super cute. I want to be fashionable. And I also don't want to be hurting because I know I'm going to be doing a lot of walking, a lot of freaking dancing, and just like, because Melody Renee is extra. I love to be extra. So I want to make sure that I can be extra and still be comfortable, right? Let's go look in the closet. Pulled this out of my closet. So it's super big though. It's a XL. I've never freaking worn it. It's a label rock. It was only like $70. So I think I might have bought this in New York, and I was like, I always like to make things like from something that I think is like a good piece. So I'm gonna do something with this. Definitely not. It looks so whack, right? But I think I can do something with this and then maybe even cut it a little bit. I'm loving the potential that it has. We're gonna like pop it up, like boom, that's gonna give it that shape. Girl, yes, we about to get that together. Watch me work. So it is a little long, so I'm gonna cut each piece, but I was unsure about how well it would cut, so I cut it in sections. And I think I'm gonna use those extra pieces for something. What if I made a bracelet? Yes, we made a bracelet, hot glue, and I think I'm gonna make earrings with this one. I got some old stub earrings like from the dollar store. We're gonna glue the back of them onto the leather that we cut out and hot glue them right on there, right on the back of it, and it's gonna be fabulous. I think it's gonna come out really, really cute, and that costs me nothing, and they're gonna look expensive. Like, super easy, literally. And when I tell you they're gonna be bomb, total bombshell. This is the final look, and I love the way I was able to upcycle it and make it super cute and fun and relaxing and right for the Beyonce concert.
We are headed to the Beyonce concert. Are you ready? Are you ready? Is you ready? Is you ready? Ready?
Before going into the Beyonce concert, we stopped at this really cool place called JoJo's Shake Shack. It was such a cute place. The atmosphere was bomb. We actually ran into a couple of our friends that was there, was just the icing on the cake. I think concerts are all about enjoying your loved ones and having fun and making memories. So that was the best part of this whole experience. Me and my friend Yo-Yo got to have a lot of fun. Man, we had a lot of drinks too. At this place, we had a Patron tower that was huge. We ended up sharing with the ladies next to us right there because it was just too much for us. And my outfit came out bomb. Lips was popping, laughs were going. And I just had to take a pause because of this beauty was just blinging in that light at JoJo's. So I had to show you guys. Now, we ended up getting $5 parking. We came about 2 hours early to pregame. We were just lucky the Beyonce guys were on our side. But I was just loving all of the outfits. People went all out. And yes, we were tipsy, guys. You seen how many Patron drinks that we had. The line was moving fast. We had no issues, guys. But upcycling is always the best thing when you're going to concerts because you're going to look so original, and that's exactly what I wanted to do. So here is a snippet of the Beyonce concert. I didn't want to give you all of it because I wanted you guys to experience it on your own. I would even go a second time, and upcycling is what made me, I feel, confident because everybody had such amazing outfits, and just to know that no one is going to have something on like me was always the yes. I feel super secure with myself. But this is an artist that is timeless, guys. Beyonce is honestly one of the best artists out to date, with the creativity of how she does her concerts, with all of the show-stopping items that she had. I mean, from flying horses to a freaking tank on the concert floor to flying through the air. Like, I'm telling you, she's bringing you a freaking show, and I'm glad I filmed it because I'm telling you, those Patron shots had me going in and out, and I felt like I was in a whole nother world when I was at her show. Definitely an amazing show to see. If you have not seen it, you definitely need to check it out. I wish I could get some tickets for the one in Houston because you know she's going to rock her hometown. But the Detroit show was an amazing experience. Now, if you want more videos of me upcycling my outfits, please leave in the comments below. That's the end of this video. Please like and subscribe. The outfit came out bomb and was definitely heated. See you next time. Life is not a game, no rules. Fantasy control.